Hello, lovelies. All right, so I just got the latest Elves box in. I know this one is the Sakura box because I've been waiting for it very impatiently, and I think it is labeled as the April box, and then starting on the next box, they're going to switch them to match the months that they arrive in instead of the month they are purchased in. Um, so I think this one's going to say April, even though I just got it and it's May right now. So for anybody who doesn't know, the Elves box is a resin crafting monthly subscription box that I purchased my own. I don't get any freebies from the company or anything. And I'm very excited to see what's in it because Sakura themed things are the one time I don't bitch about everything being pink. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we have, and please forgive the makeup on my hand. I was too excited to get rid of it. Um, so, what's in the box? This, by the way, is a regular box, not a premium box, so the cool things down at the bottom I'm not going to get. But that's a pretty good list of stuff. And let's see here. Oh, that's pictures of the premium stuff I don't get. Wow, they're really trying to make me feel bad for not getting the premium box. Okay. So let's try doing this in order. LED UV crystal gel. I have no idea what that is. I'll have to look it up on their box, but the fact that it's LED means it's going to be a little trickier for me to work with. Transparent pink dye. There we go. There's the dye. I knew there'd be pink dye in here somewhere. Latte tumblers. Oh, silicone mold. Silicone mold. Oh, yes. Okay, can you guys see those shapes? So those are, so I can make like little drink things. Oh my god. Oh, and they're actually hollowed out so that I can like fill them with other color resin and stuff. Okay, the entire box is worth it now. I wanted one of those so bad. Dreamy Sakura glitters times 12. That would be this. Ooh, nice. Okay, so they've given a box from, I think, the same company before, the same manufacturer, and I loved it. So I'm sure these are going to be absolutely wonderful to work with, and I'm really excited about some of the colors I'm seeing here already. Let's see here. Sakura confetti times 3. Oh, that's these. Okay. Ooh, and they gave me another little slidey bag. Okay, I like the slidey bags. I don't know why. They're just like, they're cute. So, Sakura confetti. Ooh, okay. So let's see. There's a light pink, a medium pink, and a dark pink. Let's get these all up here so you can see them together. So that's 3 different pinks. And there's Sakura flowers, which Sakura flowers are like, I actually put them in a lot of stuff I make because they're pretty. Let's see. Sakura keychain. That is, that's interesting. That could be fun to craft with, or maybe you're just supposed to add more stuff to it. Sakura gold silver snap times 2. Oh, here we go. That would be these. Oh, and they're the little keychain kind that it does have a little mobile thing. There we go. I can catch it. So that moves. So gold and silver. Pretty cool. Let's see here. Themed metal deco foils. Foils. Oh, foils. That's probably... No, that's in here. Ha ha ha. Yeah, let's just pull everything out of this because then I'll stop getting confused. That is these, which there looks like there's about 5 of them in there and they're all stacked on top of each other. So let me shake those out so we can see them separately. So let's see, 2 different sized hearts and some other cute little metal-y things. Oops, no running away. Those are they're super, super thin too. Like they feel really delicate. So those will go really nicely in resin. Sakura metal embellishments, that would be these, which are gold and silver. Got a really nice shine to them. I'll have to stare at it pretty carefully to figure out front and back, I think. Open bezel hair sticks. Kaboom, hair sticks. So it looks like I can pretty easily color that in, and I can then attach another charm to those. Those are probably going to get made and stay mine. And then this would be the Sakura theme clear resin. Oh, okay. So there's a clear one that you get with this, and then there's a different one you get with the premium box. How well is that showing up? Not very well. About now. There we go. So mostly single flowers, couple branches, a neat little circle thing. I like the circle thing. That's probably getting used pretty soon. And I didn't actually read it off. Oh, there it is. The 3D miniature Sakura mold. So I had a mold like this from them a while back that made larger flowers, and I made a mess out of using it, but I think I've learned some things about using 3D molds, so hopefully I'll be able to use this one more effectively. Because yeah, I've never actually gone back to try to use the other one again because I was like awkward. So that's what we've got in the box. I have some links down in the description section of this video that have will get you some discounts on Sophie and Toffee. They've been advertising that their next box is going to be like wizard themed or magician themed or something like that. And the teasers they've been posting look really, really super cute. I'm actually really, really excited about it. And if you check the links down below, you can get a discount on that if you have been thinking about getting an Elves box but haven't done it yet. And I think that's it. All my social media is in the description below. Please subscribe to me. Check out my Patreon. Check out my Facebook. Look at my Instagram that I constantly forget I have. I'm working on it, I swear. No, I'm not. I'm terrible at taking pictures. But anyway, moving on. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you lovelies on the internet.